look how big that semi truck is. That is huge. Wow. Man, that's a lot of weight. Probably over 80,000. Looks a little clear, but if you hit the gas really hard and go fast and stop, you'll slide. So you just want to gradually pick up speed, like I'm back at 60 now, but I see a lot of brake lights. And I'm trying to drive in the grooves. So just being predictable, taking your time. Kind of an open space right now, so people are picking up some, and I'm looking ahead in the lane that I'm in. They're moving a bit faster, so I just want to stay smooth. I'm not trying to overpower the car or the tires on the road. You definitely do hold the wheel a little tighter, I will say. If you hit the standing water to the left, you'll hit the wall. And if you look down at the lines, you'll drift. So I'm trying to go in really easy. The truck drivers are doing it. Semi-truck drivers, they're standing in mid lane. Whoa, I just drifted because I was staring at that truck. So you can see how easy, if you lose focus 1 second, you'd start drifting. And my heart is definitely pounding by this semi-truck. Trying to go easy around the curve. Be real smooth.